In this video, a unified styling system for your website, the online store customer account, updated lead section, new tools in ZeroBlock, and other updates from the year 2025. Hi, I'm Elizabeth, a global content creator at Tilda. In this video, I'll walk you through the key updates of the platform in 2025. But before we get started, make sure to follow us on YouTube to be the first to know about new videos and webinars. You can now create a unified styling system for your project. Set styles for text and buttons, apply them to elements, and edit them all in one place. Save your styles to a file and use them in other projects. This new feature saves time, helps maintain design consistency, and gives you full control over your website's look. Connect the online store customer account to manage orders more easily and allow customers to track their purchase history and order status. Update data quickly and keep your users informed. You can also leave notes, for example, about the fragility of a product. You can now enable phone number-based registration and authorization for your clients in the personal account. Additionally, the product upload limit in the catalog has been increased to 50,000 products, and you can now add subcategories for easier product management. The appearance of the lead section has changed. The table is now more compact, convenient, and easier to read. You can customize it by choosing which fields to display and which to hide. The section is even more mobile-friendly, with leads displayed as cards. You can also search through all the leads and add personalized labels, such as in progress or processed, as well as filter leads by these labels. Tilda's built-in web design editor, ZeroBlock, has been updated too. Editing elements is now much faster thanks to the new toolbar and expanded shortcuts. You can now add and modify elements on the artboard, apply auto layout, and much more with a single click. The height of the artboard can automatically adjust. When you change the height or position of elements, the block will automatically adapt. Apply auto layout to the entire artboard and modify it just like other Flex elements. This speeds up responsive design and simplifies updates. Also, you can now more precisely control how your ZeroBlock appears on larger screens. The breakpoint range has been extended to 2560 pixels. Adjust the visibility of elements across all resolutions. For example, you can hide menu items on mobile devices and show an icon instead. Discover more ZeroBlock updates on our website, link in the description. Interface updates. You can now switch the editor to mobile view to quickly set up blocks and preview their design. In the settings for pre-designed blocks, button presets are now available. Choose among basic, raised, flat, and dark theme options. Add icons to buttons, adjust their size, position, and spacing. Choose icons from Tilda icons or an external service library and customize them as needed. Modify typography faster. No need to open block settings, just hold Command Control and click on the text element. You can now add up to 3 custom fonts to a single project. For example, upload one for headings and another for body text. Video upload is now supported for files up to 5 MB. This comes in super handy, for instance, when designing a hero section with a video background. Block library was extended with these new pre-designed blocks. TE900 slider with cards, TX24 article, ME100 universal menu, ME500 online store menu, and some others. Tilda's AI website builder saw significant growth this year. Now you can select images using AI and save time searching for photographs. When generating text, you can choose the tone of voice, professional or friendly, and fine-tune key details. Choose color palette for your generated page in 2 clicks. Use ready-made palettes or create a custom color scheme. This year, several new templates joined our free collection of more than 200. Choose and use them for your projects. 2025 was strong for Tilda education. More than 20 articles for designers, marketers, and entrepreneurs were published throughout the year. It was also a remarkable YouTube year for Tilda. We released 87 new videos, including how-to tutorials, free live workshops on website building, short educational videos, and more. Check it out and follow us on YouTube and in other social media to stay updated with Tilda's releases and news. And that's not all. Check out the full list of updates and major events on beautiful end-of-year special project. You'll find the link in the description. How did you like the year 2025? We are very curious, so share your feedback in the comments and can't wait to see you in 2026. Bye bye!